stronger where the playwrights attempt to fulfill their desire of audience, but it lacked organic unity which a supreme art must possess. In the Jacobean period, there was a steep decline of drama. In the Elizabethan age, the drama was patronized by the feudal lords, but now the dramatist seek royal favor. There was no more for the common people now. After Shakespeare, there was no other dramatist who could fill his space, which naturally marked the decline of drama. The characters such as cheats, bullies, gillies were repeated. The dramatists could not maintain the mighty line of Marlowe, and their blank was peak. Early dramatists of the age, Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson was born in 1573 and died in 1637. Was Shakespeare's greatest rival after Christopher Marlowe. He received education at famous Westminster. He didn't attend any university, yet he was honored by both the universities. He began his adventurous career as a bricklayer, then to stage, and finally emerged as a playwright. He begins his career as a bricklayer, then he emerged as a playwright. He was also involved in a bitter rivalry among the other dialogists, notably Dekker and Marston. Eastward Ho! This play was written in collaboration with Champon and Marston. Eastward Ho! कोलैबोरेशन में लिखा गया था, जो चैम्पियन और मार्स्टन दोनों ने ही साथ में मिलकर लिखा था, और बेन जेसन ने भी लिखा था. ये तीनों ही साथ में थे. It offended King James by its satire on the Scots. For this he suffered imprisonment as well. He visited William of Dermot of Hawthorne. He wrote masques for the court and was declared as a court poet and poet laureate. He was undoubtedly a great scholar, a great learner of Greek studies, yet he was aggressive and arrogant. He was gathered by his disciples as sons of tribes of Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson confirmed himself with the traditions of classical drama. He observed the three unities while Shakespeare rejected them. Which three unities? The place, the time, and the action. He was more successful in comedies. He appeared at a time when the university wits were focusing on the romantic drama. He was very critical of romantic extravagance. He tried to establish instead a comic form and a tragic form based on the classical practice and to bring drama nearer. The best known comedies of Ben Jonson's are Everyman in His Humor, Apicon or The Silent Woman, The Alchemist and The Bartholomew Fair. Everyman in His Humor, Old Noel was a character of this comedy whose humor is his exercise anxiety about his son's morals. Brainworm was the clever servant of Old Noel, Kitely, the jealous husband, Bobadil, the cowardly braggart and justice king. The merry magistrate forms the part of characters of the play. So these are characters of Everyman in His Humor. Understood? Apicon or the Silent. One of his most criticized plays, Mouse is a rich old bachelor whose humor is hearted of voice. He seeks a silent wife for himself. Cuthbert, his barber, in legacy with the Asian finds woman named Apricot. After from it two prologues, the entire play is in prose. Other plays which are dominated by satire and self-praise are Every Man Out of His Humor, Cynthia's Rivers, and the Poet Sastre. Cynthia Rivers and the Fountain of Self-Love. The play was published in Kyoto under the title of The Fountain of Self-Love or Cynthia Rivers. It was fulfilled by the song Queen's